fresh, clean water. But how many times have you put that fresh, clean water in a water bottle that you don't remember the last time you cleaned it? With LARQ, you don't have to worry about that. Watch a review of the LARQ self-cleaning water bottle to find out more. All right, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here of the LARQ self-cleaning water bottle. Now, I saw these guys on Kickstarter when it first launched. I thought, you know what? I'm really curious about this, but I just never did it. So here's what they say. They say pure water in 60 seconds. Drink confidently anywhere. At the touch of a button, the 280 nanometer UVC light neutralizes up to 99.99999% of harmful odor-causing bacteria in adventure mode. Now, this is really interesting to me because I hate how dirty and gross our water bottles can get. And I'm gonna talk about just a second, real soon here, the new Circle water bottle. It's a little bit interesting take on this idea. Keeps your water clean, but still gives you flavor. But I'll come back to that. LARQ, let's open it up and see what it is. Got the nice black bottle there, by the way. And it says it intelligently activates every 2 hours, basking the water and inner surface with purifying UV light. Never have to worry about a stinky bottle. That's pretty cool. Meet the bottle that cleans itself. Whoa. That is quite a stinking water bottle. Pretty cool. It's a pretty cool, like 8 times. It says, just add water. Welcome to the digital age of water purification. No chemicals, no scrubbing, no compromise. So it says the LARQ bottle is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts 1 to 2 months and conveniently recharges via USB. That's pretty sweet. This is a good looking water bottle. It's got a couple little, oh yeah, those come right off. That is actually a beautiful looking water bottle. Probably the best looking water bottle I've seen in a while. It's not heavy actually. It feels pretty light. Ooh. All right, here's where the magic happens according to them. So let's see how to do this. Unlock LARQ, unlock pure power. Press and hold the A button for 5 seconds to unlock the bottle for the first time. A color light will flash telling you it's unlocked and ready for purifying action. Okay, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, there it is right there. That's cool. All right. I was looking in the wrong spot. Let's get this bad boy charged up. I can safely tell you I am the only person I know that has ever charged up a water bottle and a water bottle lid. Okay, so where is that? There it is. It's kind of hard to see there. A little USB charger. Okay, cool. All right, I let this sit overnight just because I didn't know how long exactly it would take to charge. You plug this in via the USB port here, and then you put it on. I filled it up with some water. Whoops, I put too much water in there, looks like. Let me get a little bit out of there. Good stuff. All right, and this is to tap it 1 time for just normal mode. And it says it'll pulse blue. It's kind of cool. Takes, I said, let's say 10 seconds, what the manual says, to 60-second cycling with the blue light. Now, adventure mode, if you need an extra dose of purification power, you don't know exactly what you're drinking, you can actually, it says you can click this twice. First, pulsing blue light, there we go. And what it's doing is there is a UV light that is up on top here, and the directions say, while you wait, give your bottle a gentle shake and do your best water dance to spread the UV light evenly, and voila, enjoy pure water from a clean bottle. Now, adventure mode takes 3 minutes, is I believe what it says, but I also want to just point out real quick that there are all sorts of disclosures in here about not electrocuting yourself, making sure you use this bottle the right way, make sure you use the cap on the bottle. It's the only way that works, and also that you understand that you're using this product at your own risk, and you're voluntarily using it with the full knowledge that you are inherent and or associated risks in doing so, and assume and accept any and all risks that may be associated with the possession of this product. So I believe this works. I don't have a lab here to test and see how this all works, but this would be a great gift for dad for Father's Day, especially if he's the kind of person that likes to go out and adventure. The LARQ also does have in the instruction here, it says filter murky water before purifying with the LARQ bottle. So if you get this from a stream or something you don't trust, it says to filter it first. But if you get some clear water and you're just unsure and you want to make sure that it's clean, the other thing that I really like about it is that it will automatically, every hour, we'll do a 60-second cycle to spread UV light on there and clean the bottle and also the water, which is cool. Something like the circle here won't do that. I do like the circle because you could machine wash this pretty easily. You don't put any of the actual Mio or anything in here, but I wouldn't put any other flavoring in here. I reached out to LARQ and they said, if you do that, make sure you put it through the wash cycle. But this is a really cool product. I can't believe that it is actually cleaning my water and the bottle, because we've all had those really gross water bottles that just never get cleaned. This at least you can see. The one thing I don't like about this as I was filling it up is I couldn't tell exactly how much water I need to get in there. It's not the biggest deal, but just make sure you have enough where that UV light can fit underneath there. But overall, if you want to drink some more water and make sure that it's nice and clean and safe, this is vacuum insulated, so you keep your drinks nice and cool. It will warn you if the liquid's too hot inside the bottle. You can put warm liquid in there as well, but it will tell you if it is too hot. But check it out. Put the links below. All right, so this just finished the adventure setting to where it really cleaned it for 3 minutes, so I thought I would try it out and see how it tastes. There is a cool shot there of the UV light that is supposed to be cleaning it. I'm gonna see if this will show you what it looks like. See, it'll actually do orange if it's not on the light, which is kind of cool. On the lid, I mean. So it actually won't let you look at it. It says don't look at it, but let's try the water and see how it tastes. Don't taste a huge difference, but it's good. I have filtered water here already. Another cool thing that I didn't point out before is it gives 1% back to the planet. Portions of the proceeds go back to really bringing safe drinking water to billions of people, which is pretty cool. So once again, if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below, and we hope to see you again real soon.